How to fix this issue that projecting to this PC is not working in your Windows 10 computer. You can see that all the options are grayed, which means you can't change them. To solve this problem, you will have to install the Some feature on your Windows 10. Let's do that. Click on the Start button. Choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings page, choose Apps option. Under Apps and Features section, click on the Optional Features link to proceed. In the Optional Features page, click on the Add a Feature button. In the pop-up box, search Wireless. In the results, locate Wireless Display. Click the checkbox in front of the Wireless Display to select the app, then click on the Install button to start the installation. Wait for Windows to download and install the Wireless Display app on your computer. When you see installed, it means the app has been successfully installed on your computer. Go back to the Settings page and choose System option. In the System page, click on the Projecting to this PC option. Now, you can see all the options that are enabled and you can change them according to your requirements. Your computer is now ready to project its display screen on another device and to project the display screen of some other device on your monitor screen. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.